The match is about to start in another 10 minutes, and my prediction for Liverpool versus Crystal Palace is 2-1 in favor of Liverpool. Obviously, I really want us to finish in top 4, and all the luck and everything to Liverpool. Let's hope that we win this match today, and let's see what happens then. And also, I'm praying that Mo Salah scores today because I really want him to win the Golden Boot. And then let's just see what happens with Leicester City and Chelsea's match. So yeah, very exciting matches ahead. Let's see what happens. Go Reds! Okay, so first half is over and we have got a goal from Mane, even though we missed a lot of chances. I know that, but that is the complaint that we are having since very long with Liverpool, so I'm not going to talk about that at the moment. And I was actually focusing on Leicester City and Chelsea's matches as well. So Leicester and Tottenham have won one goal, and Chelsea could not get a goal in first half at the moment. So things are pretty good for us as of now, but I'm still scared. Anything can happen in second half. Anything can happen with Chelsea, Leicester, and even with Liverpool. But I'm so happy to see fans back, and and also I was so scared for Reece and Nat Phillips because both got injured, and I'm just so happy that they are still playing because we already don't have centre backs, and I don't want them to get injured and not be available for us in the next season because we need centre backs, and Reece and Nat Phillips have been very good for us. And also, like I always say, that Liverpool is not good enough if we are just happy or satisfied with one goal. We really need another goal in another 10 minutes as the second half starts, and Mo Salah did not score at the moment, and I so want him to score because Harry Kane did. I'm just so happy to see fans back, and I want this result to be the best one for Liverpool. We are in top 3 at the moment. Top 3, can you believe that? With the kind of season that we had now. Okay, I know anything can happen in second half, but I don't care. We are in top 3 at the moment, and I'm going to enjoy and be happy about that. Rest, we'll see what happens in second half. So yeah, let's see. We are in top 4, and nobody can take this happiness from me because I'm so happy. We finished third in this horrible season that we had. Okay, I need some time to process this, that we finished third. This horrible, pathetic season that we had. Wow. I mean, if somebody would tell me that we would finish above Chelsea, I would not have believed that. Or what Chelsea, even Leicester City. Oh, we finished third. Third. After the kind of injuries that we had. Wow, I'm so happy. Seriously, this is so good. Okay, one thing that we did not get in this match was Mo Salah's goal. It's okay. I think finishing top 4 was more important to all the players, the managers, the fans, and everyone. That was really, really important for us at the moment. And talking about Leicester City, I actually thought that they could end up in top 4, with the kind of start that they had. They had 2 penalties, and I thought they would make it. But it's okay. I think Leicester has nothing to worry about it. They already have a FA Cup trophy in their hand, and finishing 5th with just 1 or 2 points behind the top 4 finish. I think that's a pretty good season that they had. But I'm forgetting about everybody right now because it's Liverpool and Mane got 2 goals. 2 goals. And where are those people who kept texting me about Mane that he was the worst forward ever? Where are you now? Because look at that. He got us 2 goals. And fans do make a difference. And I'm so happy that we had fans today. I'm not saying it was an easy win. Come on. No win is an easy win for us. I'm telling you, I got comfortable in the game at 75th minute when Mane got the second goal. Before that, I was like, okay, fine, just forget about it. We're not going to get it, because I was actually so scared about the match of what was happening in the match. Even after the second goal, I wouldn't say that I was too comfortable. Okay, we got it and we are going to end up in top 4, because you know what Crystal Palace did with us when they made that 3-3 comeback. So I did not really celebrate or anything till 90th minute because I knew this is football and anything can happen here. Anyhow, congratulations to all the Liverpool fans, because this is a much needed victory for us, because nobody expected, even we did not expect us to end at 3rd position on the league table. That's quite good. That's good. Yeah, that's brilliant. We can start the next season with fortunately good note, because our centre backs will be back and we have good squad in centre backs. We have Nat Phillips, Reece Williams doing quite good, and Konate ka deal is almost done. So let's see what that happens. Finally, this Premier League season is over. The only thing that I was waiting for is this season to get over. It ended up on a happy note, so I'm happy. It's a good day and I can finally sleep nicely.
Yes, it's very emotional for me because I lose a friend and will miss him. That's how it is. And now it looks like the time is over. But everything will be fine and nobody can take our memories. And if goodbye would not be tough, then the time you had together was not worth it. So it's really tough because we had a great time together.